That Aashmeen Munjaal had me over as a judge, and I must say the looks were superb and totally international. For the creative round, I was super impressed. This was like a thing that a woke, nice fashion show is going on.
इवेंट वॉज इंटायरली फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स, हमारे अकेडमी के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए था, जहाँ पे हमारे अकेडमी के स्टूडेंट्स दे वर शोइंग देयर क्रिएटिव वर्क, दे वर बीइंग कॉन्वोकेटेड, दे वर लाइक गिवन अ बिग प्लेटफॉर्म सो दैट दे कैन फाइंड आउट कि क्या क्या एक्सपोजर के बाद में उनके फील्ड्स ओपन होते हैं. दे कैन बी अ ग्लैमर इंडस्ट्री, फैशन इंडस्ट्री.
Today I'm so happy with the work of my Star Academy students जो उन्होंने हेयर स्टाइलिंग की, मेकअप की क्रिएटिविटी दिखाई है. That's just not less than the Paris Fashion Week or London Fashion Week. The kind of head gears, the kind of makeup creativity, overall it's super show.
I guess I will get my makeup done next time with you guys.
Today the show was awesome. We had our students performing on the stage and it was a wonderful experience. They had given their best, the best of the wedding makeover looks for the next year, the best of the creative makeover looks for the year.
Academy students all the very best in life. They are so creative, so innovative, so different from all the other trainees that I've seen.
We'll show that Aashmeen has put up today. Very good work by the students.